What's up, y'all? It's your girl BaQuairi and I'm back with another video. If you want to know how I got this look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. As always, don't forget to comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Okay, so starting off, I'm going to take my Tarte-Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand, and I'm going to use that as a base for my eyeshadow to stick, and then I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills-Subculture palette in the color Rowdy, and then I'm going to take that in my crease and just blend it out. Right here, I went back to my concealer, and then I'm using that to cut my crease. So I went back to the color Rowdy, and then I took a smaller brush, and then I'm going to define my crease with that color. After that, I'm going to go to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette and use the color Pyramid and put that right on my lid. Alright, so last palette I'm going to use is the Too Faced Glitter Bomb palette, and then I'm going to take the color Oh It's On and place that right on top of my lid as well, just to give it a little sparkle. I'm just going to be taking the black pencil liner by Wet n Wild and placing that on my waterline. Also by Wet n Wild, I'm going to take their H2O proof black liquid eyeliner and create a cat eye with it. the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, I'm going to coat my top and bottom lashes just to prep for my falsies. I am just putting on some random lashes that I thought were cute to go with this look, and that is that. I'm using the ColourPop-Ultra lip stain in the color Misbehaving and putting that right on my lips. On top of that, I'm going to take my MAC lipstick and deep root it and place that right on top of the lip stain. Alright, so that wraps up this look. I hope you all liked. Don't forget to comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thank you.